friends. Welcome back to Kimi's English podcast, where we explore real conversations, smart techniques, and helpful tips to boost your English fluency. I'm your host, Rony.
And I'm Kimi. So glad to be here. Today's episode is very special because we're focusing on something many learners struggle with, listening in English, especially for beginners.
That's right. If you've ever said, I understand English when I read, but not when I listen, or people speak too fast, you're definitely not alone. And don't worry, today's episode will help you fix that.
Rony, when I started learning English, listening was the scariest part for me. Reading felt okay, but when people spoke, I just froze.
Exactly. That's common. The reason is spoken English is very different from textbook English. In real life, people talk fast, use contractions, slang, connect words together, and even drop sounds.
Like when someone says, do you wanna instead of do you want to?
Perfect example. That's called connected speech, and it's everywhere. Beginners often learn perfect grammar, but not how people speak naturally. But don't worry, we'll train your ears.
So let's start from the basics. What should I avoid?
Good question. Here are 3 things not to do. Don't just watch random movies and hope to improve. Don't rely only on subtitles forever. Don't try to understand every word.
Wow, number 3 surprised me. I thought I had to understand every word.
Nope, even native speakers don't always catch every word. The goal is to understand the main idea, not every detail. It's okay to miss a few words. Now, let's break it down. Here's a 5-step listening plan for beginners. Step 1, choose a short, simple English video, 1 to 2 minutes. Step 2, watch it once with English subtitles. Step 3, watch it again without subtitles. Step 4, listen and repeat, shadowing. Step 5, write down new phrases or words.
So I can practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing all from one short clip?
Exactly! That's the power of repetition.
Rony, what kind of videos or content should beginners listen to?
Look for slow, clear English, podcasts or videos made for learners, everyday situations, ordering food, talking to a friend, going shopping. Real English, not boring textbook dialogue, but conversations.
Any specific channels?
Try Kimi's English podcast, BBC Learning English, VOA Learning English, Simple English videos.
Isn't it boring to repeat the same video again and again?
Maybe at first, but here's the truth. Repetition equals retention. The more you repeat, the more your brain remembers. Your ears will start catching more and more.
Like how I memorized lyrics of my favorite song without trying?
Exactly. Songs, by the way, are a great listening tool too.
You mentioned shadowing earlier. Can you explain more?
Sure. Shadowing means play one short sentence, pause, repeat the sentence out loud with the same speed and tone. It's like being a shadow of the speaker. It improves listening, pronunciation, brain-to-mouth fluency.
So I copy like an actor.
Exactly. You become an English actor for 10 minutes a day. Let's talk about lifestyle now. How can we make listening part of our daily life?
Maybe listening to English while cooking.
Perfect idea. Here are some more. Change your phone and app language to English. Listen to a short podcast on the bus. Watch a vlog in English instead of scrolling reels. Play English news in the background. Use English voice assistants like Siri or Google.
So English becomes a natural part of life.
Yes, that's called immersion.
How do I know if I'm improving?
Great question. Keep a listening diary. Write what you listen to each day. Write 3 new words or phrases. Rate your understanding from 0 to 10. Write 1 sentence using what you learned. After 1 month, you'll see huge progress.
Sometimes I feel like giving up when I don't understand anything.
That happens to everyone, But remember, you understood zero English when you were born. You didn't quit learning your first language. English takes time, just like learning to walk or ride a bike.
So patience and daily effort are the keys.
Yes, and enjoy the journey. Celebrate small wins, like today I understood a whole sentence. Today I learned a new phrase. Today I shadowed a speaker successfully.
All right, friends, that was a lot of great information. Let's recap. Don't worry about every word. Use short and simple content. Practice shadowing. Repeat daily. Make English part of your life. Stay motivated and track progress.
Beautiful summary, Kimi. Listening is the door to fluency. Keep it open, stay curious, and practice daily.
Thanks, Rony, and thank you, listeners. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to Kimi's English podcast.
And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite way to practice English listening?
Bye for now, and happy listening.